Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to enter online match. In the beginning, let's go to multiplayer game and go to open match. Here you can select deck. You can pick from default decks or from your own created deck. Next you can select stage, check your points, rank points, group, select ranked or unranked match. In unranked match you can select skill level, and again deck and stage. To start fighting, simply select battle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.